Okay, so I'm going to go over question 6 of the arcs and sectors assignment. The question says a company logo consists of a circle with a right angled triangle removed. So that's your circle, right angled triangles cut out. A, calculate the total green area. So you need to work out the area of the whole circle, then the area of the triangle, and subtract the area of the triangle from the circle to get the green area. So area of a circle, formula is pi r squared. So we're just going to do pi times the radius for this circle is 2. So 2 squared. So you can either use the pi button on your calculator or you can use 3.14. So we're going to do pi times 2 squared. The answer is 12.566. And it kind of keeps going. All these questions you have to answer to 3 significant figures. So that'll be 12.0.5, because the next digits are 6, it will round up to 12.6. And this time the unit of measure is metres, so it will be square metres for area. Okay, now we're going to work out the area of the triangle. Now you could use a half AB sine C, or you can just use half the base times the height, because we have that information. So a half times the base of the triangle is 2, and the height of the triangle, which is also a radius, is 2 as well. Okay, so if you work that one out, the answer is 2, and that's square metres. Right, so the green area is going to equal the area of the circle, subtract the area of the triangle. So that will be 12.6, subtract 2. So the shaded green area is 10.6 square metres. Okay, part B says, a gold trim is fitted around the edges of the triangle and the circle. Okay, so I'm kind of drawing that in yellow. So the perimeter of the circle, and it's also the perimeter of the triangle, has a gold trim. Calculate to the nearest centimetre the length of gold trim needed. So we're going to have to work out the perimeter of the circle, which has got a special name, as you know, that's just the circumference of the circle. Then we'll work out the perimeter of the triangle and add those together to work out how much gold trim is required. Okay, so first of all, the circumference is pi d. So pi times the diameter. So if the radius is 2, the diameter is double that, so the radius is 4. The diameter is 4. So pi times 4 is 12.5666. So I'll just make it 12.6. Okay, and that's just not centimetres, sorry, that's metres. Right, and then we need to work out the perimeter of the triangle. So we have that side is 2, we know that side is 2, but we also need to work out this side here. So because we've got a right angled triangle, we can use Pythagoras for that. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c squared equals, right, so we know that that's 2, so it's 2 squared plus 2 squared. C squared equals 4 plus 4, which is 8. So the length of that side, we do the square root of 8. Okay, so square root 8, which is I'll just round it to 2.83. And that's metres. Okay, so the perimeter of the rectangle we've got, the triangle we need to work out. So the perimeter of the triangle equals 2 add 2, add 2.83, So when we add all that together, we get 246.83 metres. Okay, so we've got the circumference of the circle and the perimeter of the triangle. So the length of gold trim is going to be the circumference of the circle, 12.6, plus the perimeter of the triangle, 6.83. So we add that together, that's going to be 13 point, let me just do it in the calculator, 12.6 add 6.83 equals, 19.43. Metres. Okay, that's the answer. I hope that makes a bit more sense. Thank you.